AI is everywhere right now, but can it actually deliver real results? So, I decided to test 3 trending AI tools that promise to automate work and create results with zero skills required. Here's exactly what happened. AI Task Automator. The first one is an AI Task Automator. It handles repetitive online tasks like scheduling posts, writing short content, and managing files. I gave it a list of small projects, and in just 24 hours, it completed all of them automatically. The outcome? Fast, accurate, and zero effort from me. Bonus tip: you can connect it to Google Sheets or Notion for even more automation. Common mistake: don't overload it with too many tasks at once. It performs better with batches.
AI Content Builder. The second tool is an AI content builder. Creates short videos and articles from simple prompts, literally in seconds. I tested it on 3 topics and uploaded them to social platforms. The engagement was crazy, hundreds of views in just a few hours. Bonus tip: try using trending hashtags with the content it generates. It boosts reach. Common mistake: don't rely on default templates. Customize them for your audience.
AI Smart Analyzer. The last one is an AI analyzer, designed to detect trends and patterns. I used it to track data for a small project, and its predictions were impressively accurate. You could use this kind of AI to improve strategy, marketing, or even content ideas. Bonus tip: combine it with Google Trends or analytics tools for deeper insights. Common mistake: don't ignore the context. Raw data needs interpretation.
I decided to combine all 3 tools for one mini project. The Automator handled the setup. The Content Builder created the visuals. The Analyzer tracked performance. The result? A complete workflow automated from start to finish. Here's how to get the most out of these tools. Start small, test each tool with a simple task. Track results, use analytics to measure impact. Combine tools, they work best together. Customize outputs, don't just copy-paste. Let's compare them. Task Automator, best for productivity. Content Builder, best for visibility. Smart Analyzer, best for strategy. Each one has strengths, it depends on your goal. Here are 3 mistakes I made so you don't have to. Expecting perfect results without tweaking. Ignoring analytics after publishing. Using tools without a clear goal. So, which one was the best? If your goal is productivity, go with the Task Automator. If you want fast creative output, try the Content Builder. And if you're into strategy or research, the Analyzer is a must. At the end of the day, AI doesn't replace people, it amplifies what they can do. And those who understand how to use it in 2025 will move faster than everyone else. Which tool impressed you the most? Comment below, I read every single one. If you want me to test more new AI tools next week, drop a comment saying part 2, and I'll do it.